Hey, Harry Box for the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Tuesday the 17th of June. We had a down day in Wall Street, but a lot of stocks we followed did well. Let's take a look at some of them. Aduro Clean Technologies, which has been smoking since the April low when it was 3.5. Last week or a week and a half ago, made it up to almost 12. Huge move, and then the pullback. A big volume too, but it didn't follow through, and all of a sudden, we're picking it up again today. So watch for the move back up towards 12 and maybe 14 or 15. With a stop under 7 3/4 thereabout. Swing trade AEVA keeps pushing. What a fantastic move. Since we gave the swing there around the $8 range, it's now more than tripled and continues to push up another small fraction today, but still a positive day. I'm looking for 31 and then high 30s. Silver ETF AGQ, now at the highest level we've seen on this one since way back in it's about a 4-year high now, 4 years. So if this does extend, it looks like it wants to, we might see a swing into the $60 range. Apps, big volume today, 78 million shares. And for the first time in a year and a half, actually almost 2 years, the stock is broken out to new highs. And for now, a run to 11, first 9 3/4, and then 11.5. ARQQ, a quantum stock, broke out, pulled back, as moving again. Volume is picking up. Let's get this one through 33. We're looking at 38.45. BOIL. Well, it looks like the natural gas ETFs finally came through its declining top line, came through its 50-day moving average and lateral price support. Closed above it at 60.25, up 383, almost 7% today. Next target has to be 70 and 80. CERO with a huge move today. Spiked big time. We traded it very well. Now the kind of volume that's traded today, 65 million shares, based on what the stock has traded historically, is astounding. Not only that, but the stock moved from 7 to 27. It finished at around 16. May not be done yet. Watch for a little bounce into the 2022 zone or pull back towards the 12.5 range where 50-day moving average is. Well, CoreWeave has been probably our best pick this year, as it went from the breakout here after the IPO falling wedge into the, we put it out at 37.90. Within 5-6 weeks, it was up to 166. It pulled back to 132 and right back up to new high 175 today. Looks to me like mid channel at 198 to 200 would be your first target. EYN with a big pop today. We traded that beautifully too. After a spike up and then a week-long pullback, it reversed off support, almost exactly at it. And in the last day and a half, 2 days, it's gone from 2 to today's high at 821. It's a 300% increase in a day and a half. Pretty amazing stuff. There may be a momentum shift or swing to about 11.5. We'll see. FEIM has been a swing trade of ours since back here in July when it popped out around the $12 range. It's now more than doubled, or doubled to 24.77 and reached the channel top or near it. So maybe due for some pullback after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-way move anyway. But I like to look at this one. New all-time highs. Well, I'm wrong. It's the highest level in 20 years, 25 years. Now looking for more, maybe mid-30s long term. GALT broke out of a base, V-bottom right-handed extension platform, and spiked on 11.6 million, which is huge volume for that stock, jumping 90 cents or 60%. I'm looking for a follow-through to 315 or thereabout as early as tomorrow. HUSA, the oil stocks went ballistic the last few days since the situation heightened in the Middle East. 396 a week ago. Today's high, 24. About a 6-fold increase. In today's in particular, 11 to 24, up 12, 14, 114% on 18.7 million. Maybe some follow through. The previous high was all the way up near 30, 32 zone. I would project that if there's a follow through tomorrow. INDO, one of the other oils that exploded in the last few days, literally has gone from 2.5 to today's high at 6.25. PCT was a solid news today in financing, ripped right back, and you can see in the last, since April low, has literally gone from 540 to today's high at 1540. So it tripled nearly. And long term, a nice inverse head and shoulder type pattern, which could lead to something in the mid-20s. Quantum, biopharma now, not a quantum computing stock, has broken out. As you can see, a beautiful chart. This is a reverse split biotech. Your next potential target might be as high as double from where it is, but I wouldn't go for that far. Let's just look at what I'm seeing here. A little bit short-term extended. May need to back and fill a little bit, but if it does extend, mid-30s. RBNE is another oil stock, Robin Energy, that exploded with the other two major ones we follow, INDO and HUSA. You can see how this one is completely exploded from a close of 550 to today's high 1449, nearly tripling in one day, and closing well, 1250. SOGP broke out of a long base, going back more than a year, and now may be headed for the $4 range. Stay tuned. And finally, Viasat, Tech Trader Swing, beautiful base here for a long-term decline. Here's a high volume breakout, high volume follow through. Looks like this one is going to extend to about 14-15 zone, and then we'll see where it goes. Next target, 20. And that's it for me. That's today's charts of the day at thetechtrader.com.